What so many people don't understand is that as a business owner, your business takes on its own energy and it's its own entity. And just like you would your child, you have to honor the integrity and the health energetically of your business. So I am a leader of a nonprofit organization, and I reached out to Selena to help support the integrity of the nonprofit, to really honor it as its own energetic being, and to really establish some like shielding and protection to help assure that everything runs so smoothly. So during this session, a lot came up. Some things that I was anticipating, some things, kind of shocked me as well. And it really gave me the understanding of how best to move forward. So if you have ever thought of really wanting to align your business in a new way and you have not considered doing emotion body coding, I recommend you reaching out to Radiant Life Coding and asking her to do an integrity wellness check on your business. You will not be disappointed.